What's up guys, Sean here. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some knives that are in for sharpening and might even show you guys how to properly pack up a knife to ship out. Not calling out either of these two guys, so don't take it as like a shot at you guys or anything. But anytime I'm consulting with a new potential sharpening customer, I always give specific instructions on how to properly pack up your knives to ensure that they make it from point A to point B without getting stolen, becoming damaged, getting lost, anything like that. And it's really simple. Essentially, you are just going to tape this thing up basically airtight so that it could float. That will prevent any possible prying eyes. You know, people, it's really easy. You can see this one is not taped. It's real easy to go like that. And look, I could pull this out and swap it out with something else. Not good. Not good, guys. Both of these guys are fortunate. Well, I won't say that. Most of the time, probably 99% of the time, package is going to make it from point A to point B without any issue. But it's just extra insurance that you can, you know, take upon yourself and not have to pay extra for, besides maybe tape. I mean, I spend probably $20 a month on tape, and you know, I don't charge any extra for that. That is just so it's peace of mind for me, and I have never had a knife not make it from me back to its owner, ever. Or any items that I've sold, anything. So that is something to keep in mind. You know, I know it's a little bit inconvenient. It's you know, who wants to take extra 5 minutes to tape everything up? I get it, but I don't take those chances personally with it. If it was my knife, I wouldn't take the chance, and I don't take the chance, certainly don't take the chances when it comes to other people's knives. So yeah, I'm gonna crack into these, show you these. Yeah, I have my buddy Cody's SHAMAN right here that I got sharpened up for him. That's going out tomorrow. And I also have some knives over here that I have for sale, if anybody's interested. And I don't know if anybody noticed, but got the caution, the 30th birthday zone over here. Old men up in here. So yeah, I'm 30 years old. So I'm gonna bring you guys over here so we can get a close look at what knives just came in for sharpening. Almost forgot to say thank you to all of you who wished me a happy birthday. I greatly appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And I did have a very nice birthday, so thank you for all the wishes, prayers, all that stuff. Aha, Medford. Boom. Nice. SOCOM Elite clip point. Two-tone coated blade. And if you watched my today's carry last day of my 20s video, I went over the lock bar access on my SOCOM Elite and how it was not quite as easy as the other one. And just like that, last one I sharpened, This one is also much easier. Much easier. That feels way better. Wow. Man. I'm gonna have to do something with mine. My lock bar access doesn't feel nearly as good as that. Maybe it's the tension. I don't know. But that feels really good. I like that. Let me clean up this crap. All right, now let's check out this Medford. Not sure what the model is. I'll put it in the video when I edit it. That is pretty sweet. It's definitely a chunker. Excellent lock bar access on this one. Look at that. Way raised up. Plenty of room. Okay, so I take it the only way to really deploy this is like that or reverse flick. Look at that little skull crusher on the bottom. Very cool. All right. Well, maybe I'll try to do some kind of sharpening tips video with them. Not really sure. We'll see what I can do. The knives I have for sale, Tucson TS 262, I believe. Carbon fiber. We have a titanium milled clip. Swollen bearings is a liner lock. Can reverse flick, thumb flick, or front flip. Excellent ergos on this. I love how the handle swells back here. Pretty cool knife, but honestly, I just never carry it. So if anybody is interested in this, $100 shipped. It's a Tucson Tepe design M390 blade steel. And yeah, titanium backspacer, geared. And my Spyderco Gale Bradley 2 has a Lynch Northwest titanium deep carry clip. It is Cerakoted black. This is the left-hand para 3 clip, which fits perfectly on a Gale Bradley 2. Not only that, I did the lock bar access modification. I did the relief cut there. So very easy lock bar access. And this has the absolute best detent out of any Gale Bradley 2 in circulation. That is because I replaced the stock detent, which was ground down basically flat. I replaced it with a ceramic detent, and I also modified the detent hole, so this has a very nice detent. Also polished the washers. You're not going to find a Gale Bradley 2 with better action than this, unless you spend a lot of time on it. But yeah, beautiful hollow ground blade. I have a natural patina on here, M4 blade steel, sharpened at 17 degrees per side on the KME. And yeah, I think I had this for around 200 was the asking, like 200 or best reasonable offer. I mean, it has been used, but I've really, you know, this thing's ready to go. I made this knife into what it should be, fixed all the little quirks that the GAYLE Bradley 2 has, and it's basically like a version 2, new and improved. And also I have this guy, SPYDERCO Para 3, DLT Trading exclusive in M390 blade steel, and it has the Knife Joy exclusive green G10 handle scales that were frag pattern milled by my buddy Anthony Griffin. Have a Lynch Northwest deep carry clip, titanium. It's a user clip, but yeah, I sharpened this on the KME, 17 degrees per side, very, very sharp. Haven't really cut anything with it since. I don't carry it, so that's why this one is on the chopping block. And yeah, I mean, blade is pretty much mint condition. Nice, beautiful edge, ready to go. And I believe I had this one listed for $200 also, which, you know, 200 or best reasonable offer if anybody's interested in that. And I do have the boxes for all 3 of these. And then this guy is not for sale. This is the Chickadee by Jacob Creates. And I did a quick edge on this. When I got it, it was not very sharp at all. Now it's sharp enough to, you know, use, but I'm still going to put a better edge on it. I'm going to get this thing really sharp, and then I'm going to do a little bit more cutting with it and stuff before the full review. So that's on the way. And right here I have Cody's Shaman. I sharpened up for him. This thing, S90V blade steel, came out to 36 grams on the best tester. Very, very sharp. Beautiful knife. Polished the washers for him. Tuned it. Butter, butter, butter. And just like all my sharpening customers, he's going to get a sticker. And since he is a good friend, I only have a couple of these. But, you know, some of my repeat sharpening customers, or the people that I consider close friends, people that I know are, you know, have a good relationship with the Lord, stuff like that, I, you know, send these around. And yeah, so that's going to be going back to him. And for the record, he is not a sharpening customer as of yet. I did this edge for him as a thank you because he bought me the Veneve F80 stone as a gift, you know, saying thank you for answering his sharpening questions and making, you know, the videos that I make and all that stuff. And you know, that was very, very nice of him. Anyways, he's a really cool guy, so I wanted to hook him up, and he said he is going to be sending me several knives for sharpening, so I appreciate that. Also, sharpening books are still open. These two just came in. I think I have a few other ones on the way in, but my turnaround time is still approximately a week. 2 weeks at the most, depending on how many knives come in all at once. But yeah, gonna get this one packed. To show you guys what just came in and do a little update, whatever, with you guys. So cool stuff. Thank you all for watching. I love you guys. Jesus loves you. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.